Rolex Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Rolex Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So before we proceed on joining to the affiliate program of Rolex, let's start first by knowing the brand Rolex. And if you don't know Rolex, it is a Swiss luxury watchmaker and one of the most prestigious and recognizable brands in the world of horology, or the study and measurement of time, in which Rolex is known for producing a high-quality wristwatches renowned for their precision, craftsmanship, and iconic designs. And aside from that, Rolex is associated with luxury, elegance, and timeless design, and owning a Rolex watch is often seen as a symbol of status and achievement. Now, to join in the affiliate program of Rolex, you will not be able to join to the affiliate program of Rolex using their website rolex.com, since in this website they are not offer an affiliate program, as Rolex has historically maintained a strict control over its brand, image, and distribution channels, including its marketing and sales activities. And also, the company's watches are typically sold through unauthorized Rolex dealers and boutiques, and also Rolex has not traditionally relied on affiliate marketing as means of promotion. However, you can also explore affiliate programs offered by other watch brands or luxury retailers in the industry if you're interested in promoting luxury timepieces. And one of those brands or platforms that offered or sells a Rolex watch is this luxhouse.com. And if you don't know this platform, it is an online luxury goods marketplace platform that was established in 2021, in which it is the leading marketplace to buy and sell authenticated luxury goods with an initial emphasis on luxury timepieces. And aside from that, Lux House aims to revolutionize the luxury retail industry by providing a safe, accessible, and transparent platform for luxury goods. And aside from that, from this platform, you will see a lot of brands that they offer or selling by this platform, including a brand of Rolex, Omega, Panerai, Reservoir, Richard Mille, and many more. And now that we know that they are selling our Rolex watches, we can now start joining to the affiliate program of Lux House in order to promote the Rolex watches that they are also selling. And from here, you will see some of the Rolex of watches that they are selling. And now, to join to their affiliate program, just go to the footer section and under the services and programs, kindly click Affiliate Program, and you will be directed on this page, in which below here it will show you how you can become a part of their affiliate program, in which below it will show you the 6 reasons to join to the Lux Club affiliate program. The first reason is the VIP pricing, in which you can shop to their collection with exclusive VIP pricing. And also, you will see here that all affiliates can earn up to 5% commission on each item. And aside from that, you could also reward your audience when they shop by sharing your affiliate promo code. And below here are some of the benefits that you can get. Now, by clicking this button, Become an Affiliate, you will be able to fill out all of the required information that they needed. And after that, they will review if you are qualified to become part of their affiliate program of Lux House. And if you're eligible, you will get some of these benefits right here. And after that, you can now start promoting some of the watches of Rolex using the affiliate program of Lux Club or Lux House. And from here, in order to join, all you need to do is to fill out all of this required information, including your name, your phone number, email address, Instagram account, and answer some of the questions that are needed to be answered. And proceed by clicking the Submit button below. But aside from Lux House platform, you could also join to the affiliate program of this platform called Jomashop.com, in which they are also selling a Rolex brand of watches. So that means by joining to their affiliate program, you could also promote the Rolex watches or product in promoting to their affiliate program. But before that, if you don't know Jomashop, it is an online shopping platform that offers a wide range of products such as watches, handbags, sunglasses, apparel, beauty products, shoes, pens, and many more, in which the platform features over 650 world-renowned brands and 75,000 unique items. And from here, you will see the Rolex brand that they are also selling in this platform. in which below here you will see the list of the products that contain the brand of Rolex, with its picture, title, and also the corresponding prices on each product. And now that we know that this platform also offers or sells a Rolex brand, to join to their affiliate program, just go to the footer section, and from here, under the company info, just proceed by clicking the affiliate program option. And you will be directed on this page, in which from here it will show you the overview of their affiliate program. And also, you will see here the benefits of joining to the affiliate program of Jomashop. And it says here that by joining to the affiliate program, you can earn commissions on all referred sales when customers complete their purchase on Jomashop. And below are some of the benefits, including the 4% to 8% commission on each referred sale. And aside from that, you could also get a high average order values, a deeply discounted popular brand name products available all year long, a custom landing page, and many more. And below here, it will show you what do you need to do as an affiliate if you are eligible to be part of their affiliate program. And it says here that all you need to do is to share Jomashop with links and banners on your site, social media, or blog. And now, to apply directly to the Jomashop affiliate program, you can go to Commission Junction, or also known as cj.com, or alternatively, you can contact their email address right here in order to join to their affiliate program. And after joining to the affiliate program, their team will review your application and get back to you with additional resources on how to join to their affiliate program. Or you can contact them if you have any concerns or questions via email that is also written in here. And aside from those brand or platform, you could also join to the affiliate program of MyGemma.com, in which this platform also offers or sell a Rolex watches. And because of that, by joining to their affiliate program, you can start promoting the brand of Rolex or some of the items of Rolex that is also selling in this platform. But before that, if you don't know MyGemma, it is an online luxury resale platform that allows customers to buy, sell, and trade in designer jewelry, watches, bags, and shoes. And from here, to see some of the products or items of Rolex, kindly click these watches on the top panel and proceed by clicking the Rolex option, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which below you will see here the brand of Rolex that they are selling. And now that we know that they are selling a Rolex brand of watches, we can now join to the affiliate program by going to this footer section, and from here, just proceed by clicking the option Affiliate Program. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which from here it will show you the overview of their affiliate program and also some of the benefits that you can get if you are eligible to be part of their affiliate program. And from here, you will see that they offer a minimum of affiliate commission of 5% with a 30-day cookie window to make earning easier than ever. And now, to proceed applying or joining to the affiliate program of MyGemma, from here, just proceed by clicking the Get Started button, and you will be directed on this page, in which all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, and after submitting your application, they will contact you via email if you are eligible to be part of their affiliate program. And if you're eligible, you can now start promoting their platform using the Rolex watches that they are also selling in this platform. So that is just how you can join the Rolex affiliate program. Thank you.